Conditioned Pacers lined up for tonight's 8th race, scratched down to a field of 8. They're on gate and the gate is rolling. And they're off. Real Impressive is wrestled back there off the gate as Argon Fire blasts early. Winchester is driven out from along the inside as they race towards the opening turn. Argon Fire looks for the early lead. Winchester there from along the inside, second for Loney. It's 3 back to Dancing and Tear, who came away in third. Real Impressive tucked into fourth. In front of Willie Fast, who was away in fifth. Big Man Klein is reserved early from sixth. It's 2 more back to Perfect Truth away in seventh, and I'm Bashful It away. Bashful early, she is the trailer through the opening quarter, 28-4, and Winchester has popped the pocket early. Winchester looking for the top here as they race up the backside. Argon Fire now yields for the pocket spot in second. Dancing and Tears about 3 lengths off the lead from third. Real Impressive next in line fourth. Willie Fast still content to track from fifth. Big Man Clyde is sixth, Perfect Truth seventh, and I'm Bashful in a way. Now moves to the outside, but continues to trail the pack, and it's Winchester who takes him through the half, 58-2, 29-3 for that second quarter. So it's a well-rated Winchester who continues to lead them now as they move on to the far turn. Argon Fire remains on his back in second as Real Impressive moves up on the outside into third. Dancing and Tear saves ground from fourth. Willie Fast is second over from fifth. Big Man Clyde is stacked up in a dull cover flow, about to go 3 wide from sixth around the far turn, and now Winchester comes under pressure from Argon Fire. Dancing and Tear along the inside third. Real Impressive up on the outside fourth, off 3 quarters, 127-4. Argon Fire is up to stick a neck in front. Winchester tries to battle back from along the inside. Real Impressive out to the center of the track looking for the big upset here as they hit mid-stretch. It's Argon Fire who continues on with the lead. Real Impressive out in the center of the track for Crabjack. Winchester battles back third. Dancing and Tear, no room. Argon Fire, Real Impressive. Argon Fire held off Real Impressive. Dancing and Tear was an unlucky third.